In this tutorial series, we'll explore Tradable's innovative no-code automated system builder. To begin, we'll discuss backtesting, an essential process that evaluates the performance of a trading system within a specific market over a defined historical period. Executing a backtest consists of 4 crucial steps: selecting appropriate indicators, defining specific trigger conditions, creating long and short trade conditions, and determining the market parameters for the backtest. Once complete, Tradable will process the data and deliver a comprehensive system report within a few moments. Let's start the process by selecting some indicators. Indicators are mathematical computations plotted as lines or symbols on a price chart that help traders identify trends, momentum, and market structure. The first step in creating an automated trading system is to select several indicators, charting patterns or candlestick patterns. To do so, click the Add Indicator button in the Trading Tools section or directly within the charting area. As you can see, there is quite a variation of indicators to choose from, and the list will continue to expand in the future. Each indicator can be customized beyond its default settings. Sticking to these preset values carries inherent benefits, as they've been rigorously tested and allow alignment with the strategies of fellow traders. Yet, by taking the path less traveled, you may reveal untapped opportunities that present a distinct advantage within the competitive landscape of the market. Let's briefly explore the candlestick patterns by selecting them at the top of the list. Then select the indicator settings by clicking the indicator here or settings icon here. Within the indicator settings, toggle the individual patterns that you require for your system and whether you're interested in bullish or bearish signals. Note that any indicator input changes will be reflected in your trading system and can be seen within the indicator in the trading tools. Modifying the style and visibility of the indicator will have no impact on your trading system, only on how you see the market on your chart. Once you're ready, head over to the Triggers section where we'll determine how the indicators should interact before placing an order.